Well, hey guys, we are about to check in to Crystal Palace.
Our first time here.
Oh, bad part is Winnie the Pooh.
There's no characters, but you'll see them on the cavalcade.
Yeah, for sure. We're really excited. We've never been here. We'll show you everything. So if you are new here, hello.
Hi, I'm Bucko.
Yeah, we're really excited. It's kind of nice to be able to go to a Disney restaurant every once in a while, you know. But if you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get notified when we do post videos. We've been kind of lacking a little bit, but we do post Tuesday and Thursdays, but at least we try to. Things have been kind of crazy here in Florida because of spring break.
Yes.
So, but we're excited. We'll show you everything there is to see around here.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoy. As explained before, you can check in early, at least 20 minutes prior. So we're waiting on our 1 minute. Alright, so now we can check in. You check in this way. You say you have 2 adults next. No mobility issues. Any kind of dietary restrictions. Say skip. Are we celebrating anything?
No.
Skip. And then text us. Yeah, then you hit submit. Alright, we just got seated. It is $39 a person for adults, and it's for, then you add tax and gratuity. So for the table, you get homestyle buttermilk and cheddar bacon biscuits. And you also get seasonal salad and marinated watermelon and tomatoes. And then as an adult, you get all these different, you get to choose one of these. So Amber, I think you're thinking about the fried chicken. I'm torn about the pork chop or the prime rib. And then you get to share some desserts, and then they have allergy friendly menu there as well. So once again, you take a picture of that, has the different languages there, and then you have the beer, wine, and cocktail menu right here.
So that's a buffet. That's where you would go, like instead of family dining, that's the buffet.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Or right underneath the sign.
So we just got our biscuits. We have a pepper jam. One of these is a caramelized onion butter, and the other one is a honey butter. I'm thinking this is probably going to be the honey butter. And then our rolls, we have cheddar and bacon. And chives. And we have buttermilk biscuits as well. So, yeah. She said try them all. They're all good. We'll see. The salad just came. So right here, that is the watermelon. They have tomatoes over here. They have the green leafy lettuce. They said this might be like donuts or something on it, but it is topped with vinaigrette as well. If I was a salad person, this would actually look pretty tasty, but I'm not a salad person. I got the bone-in pork chop. I opted for the mac and cheese instead of the sweet potato casserole, and then it also comes with seasonal veggies as well.
I got fried chicken. It had collard greens, but I opted for green beans, and it comes with macaroni and cheese.
So we're going to check in a little bit. Excuse the mess of the plate, but the pork chop was really tasty. The mac and cheese is really good. It comes with like breading on top of it, which is really good. It probably needs a touch of salt and pepper. Amber's chowing down. She said the green beans were good, just because she didn't hear. It is pretty loud in here. The fried chicken is juicy, which a lot of times that's always a miss, but it's really good. We got our dessert, and look how colorful this thing is. This thing looks really cool. So this has pineapple, coconut, and pecan. This is. Oh, okay, hummingbird cake. You got me on that one. So this is a white cupcake with caramel in the middle and raspberry something, and then the icing, raspberry frosting. So this one is like a tart, but it's banana cream, and then you have the frittered things with chocolate sauce. It looks very colorful, and I don't want to destroy it. It is, and look at this. Look at this little bumblebee.
And the flowers.
Sorry guys, alright. Well, we are done. It was very filling.
Very filling.
Holy cow, that was a lot of food. A lot of food. She did warn you too.
Yeah, she did. With the tip and everything, it was like about $90-ish for us.
And after 10% annual discount.
Yeah, so if you're an annual pass holder, you do get a discount on here, which is pretty cool.
The mac and cheese was really good.
It needed salt and pepper.
Yeah.
The seasoning for the fried chicken, there's a lot of sage. I did taste that, but it had good flavoring.
Yeah.
It was nice and juicy and good tasting.
The pork chop had some honey on it, and it had a little bit of seasoning that kind of gave it a little bit of a kick, but it was good. It was all good. It was really good.
So highly recommend if you guys get here and get a reservation. It's pretty cool. Yes, you don't see any characters, but you do see them on the cavalcade. But it's just a cool experience already. So that way, like when characters do come around, you already know what the food's going to be like when they bring that back.
Exactly. But guys, thank you so much for making it this far. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification.
It feels so good right now.
It does. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but it is nice.
You can see it in my hair.
Oh no. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.